Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Perfection Enchant in Fish It Roblox. So if you're tired of missing those perfect casts, the Perfection Enchant is a total game changer. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact way to get it on your favorite road. And as you know that the perfect throw is needed when you want to finish the Diamond Researcher quest. And here to start, you need to find the enchantment altar. So it's different from the usual enchant. To get the Perfection Enchant, you need to do it on the ancient jungle. Just go to the top of the sacred temple, and don't forget to you need to also have or sacrifice a secret fish. Okay, and can just talk to the temple guardian here and click on Transcendent Stone, and now you can just here hold the secret fish that you want to sacrifice. So for example, I'm going to just go with this one in here, hold it first. Okay, so this is my El Shark Grand Magi in albino mutation, and now you can just click on proceed, click on proceed again, and click on destroy held secret fish. And after that, you got the Transcendent Stones. Now what you need to do is just hold the Transcendent Stone and place it on the altar, and hopefully you can get the Perfection Enchant. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.